Number 346 of 1001, solve problems in engineering mathematics. So determine the area of the quadrilateral shown. OB is 80 centimeters, AO is 120 centimeters, OD is 150 centimeters, and theta is equal to 25 degrees. Okay, so pause the video and try to answer on your own. Let's remove this in. Okay. Okay, so we have given OB is 80 centimeters. So this is 80 centimeters. And then we have AO is 120. AO. So from this up to this, the whole line segment, 120 centimeters. So this segment outside the circle, so we have 80 centimeters. And then we have OD is 150. So OD is 150, and then we have theta is equal to, so this theta is equal to 25 degrees. So we want to determine the area of the quadrilateral. So the shaded region, so we have A, B, C, D. So the quadrilateral inside this circle. Okay, so to find the area of this shaded part, we can use the area of the triangles. So let A sub 1, let A sub 1 be the area of the triangle BOC. Okay, so area of triangle BOC. Okay, so area of triangle BOC, and then A sub 2, so let A sub 2 be the area of this triangle, the bigger triangle ABO. Okay, so area of triangle ABO. So therefore, the area of the shaded figure is equal to the area of the bigger triangle. So the bigger triangle is triangle ADO. So we have A sub 2 minus A sub 1. Okay. So since we have given the sides and the included angle, we can use the formula for area. We have 1/2 AB sine C. So C is the included angle of these sides A and B. Okay? So for the bigger triangle, so we have ADO, we have given the sides 120 and then 150, and then the angle, the included angle is 25 degrees. But for the smaller A sub 1, we have triangle BOC, we have 80 and then 25, but we need to solve first the value of this segment CO. Okay? So we will use the second law to solve the value of this CO. Okay? So solve the value of CO, we will use the second law or second line. We have second line since segment AO and segment DO are second lines of this circle. Okay? So that is second. So that means line that intersect the circle at 2 points. So we have these are the intersection A, B, and then we have D, C. Okay? So therefore AO and DO are seconds. And then according to second law, the product of this A times O, we have AO times this segment BO is equal to the product of this segment DO, the second, and then times this segment outside the circle CO. Okay? So therefore, we have AO times BO and then multiplied by CO times DO. Okay? So that we can solve this CO. Okay, so let's substitute the given. So we have AO is 120. And then BO, we have given 80. And then we have CO. And then multiplied by DO, we have 150. So to solve for CO, just divide both sides by 150. So cancel this. Therefore, the value of CO is equal to, so just multiply this on your calculator, 120 times 80 divided by 150, and we will get 64 centimeters. Okay, so therefore this CO is equal to 64 centimeters. Now, just use this formula. 1/2 AB sine C. So this will be the A, this will be the B, and then the C is both 25 degrees. Okay, so let's just apply that formula to get the area of the shaded region. So therefore, A is equal to A sub 2, the area of the bigger triangle. So the bigger triangle sides are 120 and 150. So just multiply that to 1/2. So 1/2 times 120 times 150 times the value of sine. We have same angle for both the triangles. So we have sine 25 degrees minus a sub 1. So a sub 1 is the smaller. So we have 1/2 multiplied by the side. So we have 80 and 64. So 80 times 64 and then multiplied to sine 25 degrees. Okay. So we can just type this on our calculator. We can factor out 1/2. We can factor out the 1/2 and then sine 25 degrees. So 1/2 sine 25 degrees. And then we have 120 times 150. 120 times 150, we have 18,000 minus the product of this 80 times 64, that will be 5,120. Or you can just simply type this all on your calculator. Okay. So I'll just show you my computation. So we have 5,000. If we subtract this, the answer is 12,880. Okay. So now just type this on our calculator and we will get, let's start with sine 25. Okay, so sine 25 and then divided by 2, press equal sign and then multiply to 12,880, we will get 2,721.66. 2,721.66, that is letter A. Okay, so the final answer is letter A, 2,721.66, rounded to the nearest 2 decimal places, 66 centimeter squared. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. So see you on my next video tutorial about engineering mathematics. Bye-bye and God bless.